How to fix all Windows installer not working errors. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Task Manager. In Task Manager, simply click on Services at the top. After you're on Services, in here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down to MSI Server. Right click on it. After you right click on it, you will find Start button. Click on Start. And then Windows installer will be started. If this is not showing up, what you can do is simply go to search bar and then search for services. In services, scroll down till you find Windows installer. Right click on it and then go to properties. In properties, click on Start, which is below Service Status. After you press on Start, press on Apply, and you're good to go. This is how to fix all Windows installer not working errors. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.